welcome back to my channel. For today's video we have a FabFitFun unboxing. This is the winter 2020 box, which is very heavy and very cumbersome. So this is how the box comes for this season. Put it back down on my knee while I just go over the details of it. This is a seasonal beauty and lifestyle subscription. They do have a couple of levels of subscription service. You can sign up to the box seasonally, which is what I've done at the moment, or you can actually sign up to an annual plan. The annual plan, I believe, is about $180 for the year, but that does entitle you to the 4 season boxes being spring, summer, autumn and winter. You do also get extra perks as well, and as a select annual member you can make your customizations early and you do get access to the add-on sales early. I did actually make some purchases from one of their add-on sales. I believe it was their Black Friday sale. So I will go through the contents of this box first and then I will show you the few items that I picked up in the Black Friday sale as well. The cost of this subscription as a seasonal member is $49.99. It does ship for free, I believe, in the United States. But if you ship to Canada or the United Kingdom, I believe you do pay shipping and customs to both of those countries. You definitely do pay shipping and customs to the UK, but the customs are paid up front so you don't get stung with any customs once it arrives in the country. So on top of the $50, the customs charge to the UK is around about $10, and also the shipping fee to the UK is around about $10. So all in all it does cost $70. I had a discount code for this box because I did pick up one of their in-between season boxes which had a slip with a discount code in it, so I did actually get, it was either $10 or $15 off this box. I think it might have been $15. My total came to $53.99, which did come out my bank at around about £43, which for a subscription box of this size, which I believe contains 8 items, isn't too bad of a deal. If you are interested in signing up to this, because I have an account with them, I do have a sort of refer a friend code, which I think entitles you to $10 off your first box. So if you are shipping to the UK, that could either cover the cost of your shipping or the cost of your customs. That will be linked in the description box below. I can't remember what kind of kickback I get from it, but if anyone does use that code, obviously thank you in advance. It could be something that I could put towards possibly getting the spring box, because at the moment I won't have any discounts off that and it will be full price, so I need to decide whether to continue with that or not. So once you have paid for your subscription, you do actually get the option to customise some of the items contained in there. If you are a seasonal subscription holder, I believe it is 3 items that you can customise. If you are a select member, it is 5 items you can customise, and you do get the email to customise a few weeks before the boxes are dispatched. So there are 3 items here that I did pick, and then the other 5 are picked by FabFitFun. So why don't I show you what I got inside here. I'm not too sure where to actually put this box because it is so big and I need it to not get in the way. I think I'll put it to the side here. It's actually going to be quite a handy box for some sort of storage because it is quite pretty and not too sort of in your face that it is a FabFitFun box. It does also come with a FabFitFun magazine, which looks like it's got quite a few different articles and things in, and I'm hoping the price of all the items contained in here, because I didn't think to write them down. I thought to write down the total value of my box, but not the individual priced items, so fingers crossed they are in here. Yes, they look to be, so I will go through this once I've shown you the items. So first of all, I'll go through the 3 items that I chose for this box. The first of which is this blanket. This is the Unhide Marshmallow blanket, and this I think is the reason for the weight in the box. This is such a heavy blanket. It looks like, well, let me take it out the packet, because as soon as I finish filming this video, this will be going on my sofa. This is so soft, and I don't know if you can see at the top there, but it is so thick and luxurious. And I do actually have a grey couch, so this is going to look really nice on there. And the one I have at the moment is a little bit thinner, so this will be perfect for when it gets colder. So it says fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh and faux. No animals were harmed in the making of this faux. Yeah, so that is super soft and I'm really excited to get some cosy under that with some Christmas movies. The next item I picked was this mascara from Ilia. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara, and this is in the shade After Midnight, which I think is just a black mascara. So this is how the mascara itself comes, really sleek packaging. I have seen a picture of this wand, and I think there might be a picture in there as well from when I've just flicked through. I don't want to open it and let the air get to it because I have quite a few older mascaras that I know I'm going to use before this one, so I don't want to sort of open it for the time being. but I've heard really good things about this brand and I'm excited to give this a go. And then my last customization was this vanity mirror. This is the Impressions Touch Highlight LED makeup mirror. I have wanted one of these mirrors for the longest time, but I've just never got around to purchasing one. So when I seen I could pick one as part of this box, I jumped at the chance. I'll just take it out of the box. I don't sort of do get ready with me very often on my channel, but something like this will be really handy when I do so. It does come with batteries and also a USB, so I think you can plug it into the power, but then it does also run on batteries as well, which is quite handy. And then I'm going to keep it in the bubble wrap so that there's not a massive reflection, but this is how the mirror itself comes. So we do have the light around the edge there, and then just a little touch button to light it up, and then it looks like it is movable as well. And looking at myself in the mirror, it is got a messy bit of hair there. That is such a nice size mirror. I like that it's an oval shape as well, and it does fit my whole face into it, so I haven't got to kind of move it around. And then it is tiltable as well, which is perfect. So I'm really excited to give that one a go. Why do things never go back in the box the way you found them? So the rest of the items were picked for me by FabFitFun. The first of which is this Daily Concepts Daily Facial Dry Brush. I've heard so many people talking about dry brushing lately. One of the main ones I've heard is Jessica Braun. I know she does sort of dry brushing on her body, but I'd never heard about it on your face. So I'm intrigued and also slightly terrified of this. It does say that it polishes skin and it's a facial workout. Helps to tone and firm skin while gently exfoliating and stimulating cellular turnover. So it just says incorporate it into your AM routine. Only use it on dry, freshly cleansed skin. Wetting this brush will damage the integrity and quality of it. So I am really intrigued by this one and I'll give this a go. The next item is these under eye gels, and these are from the brand Botanic Beauty, and these are the Guardian Angel eye gels. I have actually tried these before. I did get them in a Glossybox some point in the last couple of years, and I actually got them as an alternative to the products I should have received, and I did actually really enjoy them. The last time I got a seasonal FabFitFun box, I fell in love with the black under eye gels that I received from them, but I've been never really able to repurchase them. And when I liked these from trying them in the Glossybox, I wasn't able to repurchase these either. So it's really nice that I now have 4 individually wrapped masks. I don't know if that means it is 2 pairs or it's 4 pairs, but still I'm really excited to have these back because these are great little eye masks, and each of the under eye gels does look like a little wing, so they're really cute as well. Next we have this Flight Mode Skincare. This is the High Altitude Hydration Mask. So this says all skin types can use a boost of hydration, sit back and relax and get some beauty sleep, while Australian wild berry harvest and hyaluronic acid work to hydrate and plump your skin. Our leave-in mask is infused with aloe vera and cucumber. You'll wake up feeling soothed and refreshed. No wash off necessary. Now you're on your direct route to dewy, healthy, moisturised and hydrated results. So this sounds right up my alley. I do definitely like hydrating products. I do like a good night mask, especially ones that you don't have to wash off. So this one sounds really good. It does say it contains aloe vera and cucumber. I'm hoping it doesn't smell too heavily then, because I'm not the biggest fan of that. It probably is a perfect kind of product to use if you are doing, say, a night flight or something like that. But when's the next time that's going to happen? So maybe this box was planned well in advance, but I'm really excited to give this a go. The next product is from the brand Aesthetica. This is the liquid eyeliner in black. I believe from other unboxings of this that I've seen, it is a kind of dip pot eyeliner, which, yeah, I think that's the case. I'm not a huge fan of these kind of eyeliners at all. When I very first did get into makeup, these were the type of eyeliners that I used, but now I do much prefer ones in the sort of marker pen with either felt or brush tip liners. So this isn't one that I know I'll make use of, so this will probably just go into a future giveaway. And then the final product in here is from the brand Below the Belt, and this just looks like a card holder. Yes, a croc card case. So this is a really pretty sort of maroon colour with a, I was going to say snakeskin pattern, but it's called the croc card case, so it's obviously crocodile skin pattern. This is again another product that I won't actually use, so this one might get passed on to a sort of friend or family member, if not put into a future giveaway. So yeah, this one isn't for me. So now I'll just go through the booklet and find the full size prices. It does actually have up here that your total value of the box is going to be over $200. All members get to pick customisations 1 to 3. Select members get to pick customisations 4 to 5, and then FabFitFun picks the other ones, so it's all colour coded. So these are all the ones in category 1. So I do believe that I could pick either the blanket, the teeth whitener and the robe, I think. I don't think it was all of these available to me, but for me the blanket was a no-brainer. I was always going to go for that one. So this blanket does retail for $65. So just say the unhide little marshmallow blanket, stay cozy all winter long with this soft faux chinchilla blanket. So yeah, I'm really excited to have that. If I'd seen this on a shelf for $65, I don't think I'd pick it up for that price, but now I have it, I know I'm going to enjoy using it. So on this page here we have the options 2 and 3. So for number 2 there are the mugs, the mirror, the scarf, the murad and the cordelay. I think the choices available for me were the mirror, the alginous cream, the scarf and the cordelay. So I obviously went for the mirror. So this mirror has a value of $45. So again, a product that I did want, but not one I would have spent $45 on. I probably would have just picked one up for sort of £15–20, which that's probably about $25–30 maximum. I did like the look of these mugs and I think I did have a choice of them, but I would have much preferred the mirror, so that was the choice there. And then for this number 3 choice here, there was only a couple of things to pick from. So there was the Ilia mascara, which I picked, the Laura Geller cinnamon and spice eyeshadow palette, the Dr. Brandt pore purifying cleanser, and I think that might be it, yeah, A, B and C. Oh, there's more on the back, but I don't think I could pick from them. I think it was only these. So I obviously did pick the Ilia mascara, and this one retails for $28. More than I tend to spend on a mascara, but I am really excited to give it a go. And over the page we have further choices. Even though I did make my selections quite early, there were still a couple that were sold out. I did really want to pick these socks, but these ones were not an option, so I was hoping they would have kind of been one of the ones they picked for me, but unfortunately not. And I also like the look of these chopping boards as well. So here are the Guardian Angel eye masks that I received. So these ones are the 5th choice, which is the ones that FabFitFun picked for you. So these ones are $25. So it just says place these hyaluronic acid infused eye gels on the under eye area to reduce any puffiness. Yeah, so it says that's 5A and that's 5B. So I think they're things that I've forgotten already. Yeah, so select members could have picked from them, which if I'd had the choices of all these, I probably would have picked the socks and the chopping boards. But I am really glad to have these eye masks again. And over here we have the last couple of choices for select. And then I think I could have got any of these, the ones for FabFitFun to pick. So obviously I did get the dry brush, which is $20. And I also got the card holder, which is $35. I would never spend that much. I mean, it might be quite handy because I don't really need to take much out with me at the moment, but I just don't think I'm going to make use out of it. I would have loved to receive this Phase Zero blusher or possibly the scrunchies. Oh, and I also received this eyeliner as well, didn't I? So this eyeliner is $21, but again, it's not my kind of eyeliner. So I think those blemish patches would have been quite nice to receive. Okay, the brush, I do like the idea of that because I never would have purchased that, but I do quite like to try it. So yeah, not too bad of a picks for there, but I think instead of the eyeliner, I would have loved the scrunchies, and instead of the card holder, I think I would have liked the blush instead. So that is all the items in my FabFitFun winter box. The total value of all the items comes to $278, which is an insane value for just the £40 or sorry, $53 that I spent. So I'm just going to quickly grab the products that I would have purchased from this box, which I've now realised I would not be able to hold up properly. So I would definitely have purchased this blanket. I would have definitely purchased a mirror like this. I have tried to purchase these in the past, so these ones I would definitely purchase. I would probably have picked up this leave-on mask as well. Just counting these 4 products here, would I pay £43 for these? I'd say yes, I probably would, because there's 4 products. If each one was £10, I think I would definitely pay £10 each for these items. So for me, this box is well and truly worth it. So now I will show you the couple of items that I picked up in the Black Friday sale. I have another massive box from them, but this one is not half as full as the other one. Maybe they hope people will pick up a lot of products that will actually fill the box, but whoops, if you can see, it's actually half empty. So the first thing I picked up was this pack of fluffy socks. These are from the brand Betsy Johnson, and this is just a 3-pack of the socks. So we have these pink ones, these white and black, and then these black and white polka dot with the pink heel. So these ones were $11 for the 3 pairs. I thought I would give them a go because a lot of my socks are kind of just ones from Primark. They're not the best quality, and because I've been wearing this kind of sock more often from working from home, I am going through my socks quite quickly, so I thought I'd treat myself to some more slightly luxury ones, and I think these were $11. The next thing I picked up was this acrylic organiser. So this is the Sorbus Cosmetic Organiser case, which includes 9 slot compartments. This is how this one comes. So I thought this would fit hopefully quite neatly on top of the existing unit that I have. If you are curious as to what my makeup storage looks like, I did recently upload an updated tour of my vanity, so I will link that on the cards, but I think it should fit that way sort of on the existing unit that I have. I'm hoping I can use this as an overflow of the lipsticks that I have. I do have some in a drawer and also a full size one of these kind of lipstick storage units, but I do have a couple of overflows, so I thought that might be quite handy for this. And then I also thought that this side here might be quite good to put in my day creams. I do currently just have them in a drawer at the moment and I always forget to reach for it, so I thought if I put them up here and they can sit on the top, I should remember more to then put on a day cream, and this was actually only £5, which I think is a good deal. And then the final item that I picked up was this Donny cardigan. It does look different in person than I thought it did online. I didn't realise it had this much of a sort of stripe to it, but it is quite a nice sort of slouchy cardigan. This room that I'm sitting in now, which is my sort of working from home office as well, it does get quite chilly, and even with the heating on, it doesn't always quite reach me because I am at the back of the house, so having something like this to grab might be quite handy. It is nice and thin, but it could be something that's good even if I'm just wearing a jumper or something. I don't want something too heavy on top, but just to keep me warm. It does look like it's a really nice length as well, so I will give this a try on. If it's not for me, I know it's something that my mum would probably like, but this was something that was heavily discounted, so I thought I'd give it a go. I paid $11 for this, but I believe it does retail for $99, I think it was. So yeah, excited to give that a go, and it might be quite a nice little sort of house coat slash cardigan thing. So those 3 items, when I added tax and shipping, came to $38.40. That did come out my bank at £29.71. So roughly for the 3 items, it was £10 each. £30 for those 3 items I think is really good value, and I am glad I did actually pick something up from the Black Friday sale because they do have massive discounts on lots of items. So that is it for my winter unboxing and also the add-ons I got from the Black Friday sale. Like I said earlier, I will have that refer a friend link in the description box below, which will entitle you to $10 off your first FabFitFun box. But other than that, that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks!